Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shopping mall security guard business. Suppose as the manager of security guard team, I use WhatsApp chatbot to handle incident reporting, send shift updates and alert my team of emergencies in real time. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shopping mall security guard business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type security alert. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hello, this is Secure Mall Assistant here to keep your mall safe and secure. What would you like to do? Now we have three options: report an incident, view shift updates, emergency alert. Now simply I am clicking on report and incident. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Please describe the incident, include what happened and time. Now I am typing XYZ incident, time 10 am. After typing, I am getting another response. Incident report received. Our team will review and respond as needed. Thank you for reporting. Now we have an view shift updates and emergency alert button. Now simply I am clicking on emergency alert. Now we are getting another response. Emergency alert. Please describe the emergency briefly. Our team will be alerted immediately. In this I am typing XYZ emergency. After typing, I am getting the response. Your alert has been sent XYZ emergency. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows. This is our flow builder page. Now we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we want to create our new chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your shopping mall security guard business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello, hey, and Sean. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have an option choose template. With the help of template, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hello, this is Secure Mall Assistant here to keep your mall safe and secure. What would you like to do? Now we also add buttons. Report an incident, view shift updates, emergency alert. Now we connect the flow. Now we take question box and write message on it. Please describe the incident, includes what happened, time. When user press report an incident button, then we will send over this message. And also select the contact custom field, incident details, and select the format, that is text format. Now save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user write incident details, then we will send over this message and simply connect this question box to this message box and arrange the flow. Now we take another question box and write a message on it. When user press emergency alert, then we will send over this message and simply connect emergency alert button to this question box and select the contact custom field emergency details. Now select the format, text format. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user send emergency details, then we will send over this message. Your alert has been sent $emergency details. And you will see I am using a $sign. Why we use $sign? When user write any text, then automatically replace with emergency details. Now we connect this question box to this message box and simply arrange the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press view shift updates button, then we will send over this message. In this, we also add button my availability shift change. Now we take question box. When user press my availability button, then we will send over this message. Let us know when you are available this week. Please reply with your available days and time slot. Now we select the contact custom field, days and time and select the format, text format. Now connect this button to this question box. Now we take text button and write a message, your availability, date and time. Well, consider this when assign shift. Thank you. And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. Now save the flow. Now we take another question box and write a message on it. When user press shift change button, then we will send over this message and select the contact custom field, shift change request and select the format, text format. Now connect these button to this question box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. After providing the shift change details, then we will send over this message and simply connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. So you will see I am creating the WhatsApp chatbot for shopping mall security guard business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type emergency alert. You will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.